Lesson
Lesson
11.
11.
Manish
Manish
and
and
the
the
baby
baby
bird.
bird.
Manish
Manish
was
was
8
8
years
years
old.
old.
He went
Went
to
to
school
school
every day.
every day.
One
One
day,
day.
on
On
his
his
way
way
back
back come
he stopped
stopped
near
near
a
a
tree
tree
to
to
take some rest.
rest.
There
There
he
saw
a
baby
bird
bird
under
under
a
a
tree.
tree.
It
It
was
was
very
very
small
small
and
and
unable
unable
to fly.
fly.
It
It
was
was
making
making
a
a
strange
strange
sound.
sound.
Perhaps
Perhaps
it
it
was
was
crying.
crying.
Manish
Manish
was
was
very
very
kind
kind
and
and
helpful.
helpful.
So
He
though
though
to
to
help
help
the
the
baby
baby
bird,
bird.
he
He
looked up
up
and saw
saw
a
a
nest
nest
on the
the
tree.
tree.
Two little
Little
birds
birds
were
playing
in
in
it.
it.
Manish picked up
Up
the
the
baby
baby
bird
bird
and
and
climbed up
up
on
on
the
the
tree.
tree.
He
He
carefully
carefully
put
put
the
the
baby
baby
bird
bird
back
back
in
in
its
its
nest.
nest.
The
The
tree
tree
baby birds
birds
were
were
together
together
again.
again.
Just then
Then
the
the
mother
mother
bird
bird
returned.
returned.
She sang
Sang
a
a
song
song
to thank
Manish
Manish for
for
his
his
help.
help.
Manish
Manish
moved
moved
to
to
the
the
birds
birds
and
and
went
went
back
back
home happily.
happily.
Lesson 12.
Lesson 12.
Mithu
And
the
the
yellow
yellow
mango.
mango.
Listen
Listen
and
and
enjoy
enjoy
this
this
story.
story.
Mithu
Mithu
was
was
a
a
parrot,
parrot,
a
a
green
parrot
parrot with
with
a
a
red
red
wing
wings.
on
On
one day.
day,
Mithu
Mithu
was
was
flying. टेबल को हिलाए मत ना. Flying,
flying.
he
He
loved
loved
to fly.
fly.
He looked
Looked
down.
down.
He
Saw
a
a
big
big
yellow
yellow
mango.
mango.
One ए ट्री,
tree,
ऑन है ना, ऑन ए ट्री है ना यहाँ पर। हाँ, मिट्ठू
mittu,
लाइक्ड
like,
मैंगोस,
mangoes,
आई
I
वांट
want
टू,
to
इसको मत हिलाओ ना, ईट
eat
दैट
that
येलो
yellow
मैंगो,
mango.
ही
He
सैड
said
ही
he
फ्लू
flew
डाउन
down
टू
to
द
the
ट्री,
tree.
केव
Gave,
केव
gave,
गो
go
अवे,
away.
दिस
This
इज
is
माई
my
ट्री,
tree.
सैड
Said
ए
a
वाइस
wise
मिट्ठू
mittu
लुक्ड
looked
अप,
up.
ही
He
saw
saw
a
a
big
big
black
black
crowd
crowd.
cave
Cave,
cave
cave,
go
go
the
the
crowd
crowd.
suited,
Suited.
he
He
had
had
a
a
very
very
loud
loud
voice,
voice.
Mittu
Mittu
was
was
afraid
afraid
of
of
the
the
crowd,
crowd.
he
He
flew
flew
away.
away.
Mittu
Mittu
saw
saw
a
a
red
red
balloon,
balloon.
it
It
was
was
under
under
a
a
tree,
tree.
he
He
had
had
an
an
idea,
idea.
he
He
picked
picked
up
up
the
the
red
red
balloon,
balloon.
he
He
was
was
carefully
carefully
not
not
to
to
brush
brush
it,
it.
he
He
flew
flew
to
to
the
the
mango
mango
tree,
tree.
the
The
crows
crows
was
was
sitting
sitting
on
on
the
the
tree.
tree.
Mittu
Mittu
went
went
behind
behind
the
the
tree,
tree.
he
He
picked
picked
the
the
balloon
balloon
with
with
his
his
red
red
beak,
big
pop
pop.
the
The
balloon,
balloon
brushed
brush
it,
it
made
made
a
a
loud
loud
noise.
noise.
Cow
Cow
cave
cave
said
said
the
the
crowd,
crowd.
and
And
he
he
fell
head
off
of
the
the
tree.
tree.
Cave
Cave
a
a
big
big
gun
gun
is
is
after
after
me,
me.
said
Said
the
the
crow.
crow.
He
He
flew
flew
away.
away.
He
He
never
never
came
came
back
back
to
to
the
the
tree.
tree.
Mittu
Mittu
came
came
to
to
the
the
tree.
tree.
He
He
ate
had
the
the
big
big
yellow
yellow
mango.
mango.
Yummy,
Yummy,
yummy.
yummy.
What
What
a
a
nice
nice
mango.
mango.
He
He
said
said
he
he
was
was
very
very
happy.
happy.
Clever
Clever
Mittu.
Mittu.
अगला लेसन 13
Lesson 13.
Two
Two
little
little
parrots,
parrots.
two
Two
little
little
parrots
parrots
sitting
sitting
on
on
a
a
tree.
tree,
Sitting
sitting
on
on
a
a
tree.
tree,
Talking
talking
about
about
you
you
and
and
me.
me,
You
you
and
and
me.
me.
Flowers
Flowers
smiling
smiling
to
to
them.
them,
Smiling
smiling
to
to
them.
them.
Sad.
Sad,
Why
why
do
do
you
you
eat
eat
chilies
chilies
and
and
chilies
chilies
all
all
the
the
time?
time?
Red
Red
and
and
green,
green,
one
one
and
and
all.
all.
Parrots
Parrots
said
said
red
red
for
for
our
our
beaks
beaks
and
and
green
green
for
for
our
our
fathers.
others.
Feathers है ना.
Three others.
We
We
eat
eat
chilies
chilies
all
all
the
the
time.
time.
Lesson 14. Loving
Loving
grandfather.
grandfather,
Ever
your
since
sin,
grandpa
grandpa
fell
fell
down
down
and
and
spared
spare
his
his
arm.
arm.
He has
Has
changed.
changed.
He
He
has
has
become
become
very
very
quiet.
quiet.
He does not even
Even
speak
speak
to
to
us.
us.
He
He
keeps
keeps
sleeping
sleeping
the
the
whole
whole
day.
day.
He
He
is
is
very
very
sad.
sad.
He
He
does
does
not
not
even
even
go
go
out.
out.
Grandpa
Grandpa
है ना. Grandpa loved
loved
to
to
go
go
for
for
walks.
walks.
He
He
loved
loved
to
to
do
do
his
his
exercise.
exercise.
We must
Must
try
try
to
to
make
make
him
him
go
go
for
for
a
a
walk
walk
with
with
us
us
and
and
do
do
some
some
exercise
exercise
in
in
the
the
park.
park.
Grandpa,
Grandpa,
your
your
friends
friends
are
are
there.
there.
They
They
will
will
be
be
happy
happy
to
to
see
see
you.
you.
Please
Please
go
go
and
and
talk
talk
with
with
them.
them.
Thank you,
Thank you,
my
my
children,
children,
for
for
taking
taking
me
me
out
out
in
in
the
the
fresh
fresh
air.
air.
It's
It's
been
been
a
a
long
long
time.
time
I
I
have
have
been
been
with
with
my
my
friends
friends
for
for
a
for
walk.
walk